What's up, guys? So I gotta try something a little different here. To another type of vlog. It's kind of like an unboxing as I normally do with my camera stuff, but I need another little hobby, keep myself busy during this quarantine time, and decided to pick up a little RC car. So I used to do a whole lot of RC car stuff back in the day when I was a young kid, but decided to buy another one here, and so let's do a little unboxing, check this thing out, and I'll be taking it around outdoors and testing some stuff out. So check it out. So here it is, the Team Losi Mini-T 2.0 brushless. So they had an older version that was a regular brushed one. This is a full ready to run kit. You pretty much just gotta charge it, slap some batteries in it, and you're good to go. But it's a pretty small car. On the videos, it looked, you couldn't really tell how small it was until I finally got it here, and it's a pretty small little thing, but it looks like it's gonna be a good amount of fun. So let's check out the box here first. So I got the main little thing here, ready to run on there. On the side here, kind of shows the picture of the whole inside chassis and everything. Here's got the main basic specs and everything. And here it comes in two different styles of colors. So it's the standard orange and yellow and white, and then the blue one. I got the blue one. So let me take the top of this thing off and check it out. So everything's in there pretty nicely. It's got a little protection here, so tape there so nothing squishes it. We got the controller over here. So it's a pretty small little controller. Looks like you'll be able to pretty easily do it one-handed. So I'm gonna try and do a little vlogging while I'm driving this thing around. It's got some buttons and everything on the top, control everything. I think there was either a charging cable in here. Yeah, there we go. So there's the charger. So standard USB, and that plugs into the battery. And of course, gotta have your instructions. Oh, it comes with some batteries. I was worried about that. Got a wrench for the wheels and a little Allen wrench. So there, it's plugged in there. Looks like this shows all the aluminum hop-up parts. It's pretty cool that you can upgrade all of that. Maybe I'll do a video slowly upgrading all that stuff. And then this here talks about all the setup of it, the brushless system, transmitter, and different tools you can get. So they're pretty basic items that you be using on any other remote control car and stuff like that. So let's see, pop that out, and boom, there you go. So pretty light, feels good. So just first off, just touching the bottom, you can tell it's got a aluminum chassis on the bottom there. I mean, it looks dead on to being like a full-size one, just it's a lot smaller. It's pretty sweet. The wheels look a little funny just because they're so small. It feels like there's cushion inside of them. It's pretty cool. It's got a very aggressive look to it. Take a little closer look at this thing. Some nice little details there in the stickers and everything. It's got a little add-on wing here. It looks like you can take the wing off, switch it up if you want. You can see that the suspension works real well. Nice little dampening. It's pretty friggin' sweet. Alright, so let's take these body pins off here and see what it's like on the inside. They're pretty small little body clips. Those things, definitely have to buy some extras of those, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna lose those. See, they're a little hard to get off here with one hand. There you go. And there's the body. And there we go. The insides Everything looks nice. The battery's not attached when it's shipped, it looks like, so just gotta make sure to hook that up before you do it. But everything's in there nice and neat. Looks very well made. I'm guessing that's probably the switch there. Just turn it off and on. I'll be double checking that later, but they look pretty sweet, dude. So, pretty excited for this bad boy. Alright, so I'm gonna go and slap this bad boy on the charger, and tomorrow in the daytime I'm gonna go take it down to the dirt and see how this bad boy rips. But so far it definitely looks very good build quality. Like I said, it was slightly smaller than I was thinking, just like when you see it in the videos. But what can I use for... Oh, here we go. But just so you can see in size, it's a standard Rockstar drink. So it's pretty small compared to like a Rockstar. Let that stay there. So there it is compared to a Rockstar energy drink. It's pretty small. I mean, it's like a little bit longer. Cool, so let me slap this thing on the charger and stay tuned for that footage.